Okay, this video is about how to do a custom fireplace, kind of like you see in this picture here. Some things you'll learn how to do is this area here is called soffit, and then how to change the material, how to put a fireplace and screen like that there, and then a TV is very similar to that. So I'm going to show you that from scratch. Okay, so if you're someone that wants their fireplace to go all the way up, kind of like what I showed you in my example right here. All the way up to the second floor. This is how you're going to do it. Okay, so go to this plane here. I've already added a floor and then designated like my kind of lofted area, so I'll build bedrooms up here, and this might be the hangout spot. My stairs will go there eventually, but I'm going to show you how to put the fireplace in. So the tool you're going to use is soffit, and you can put it, wherever. Whoops. You want it, you can always move it later too. And then from this view, what you'll do is click on it and drag it all the way to the floor. And then notice as you do that, it'll put the baseboard trim around it. But double click on it, and then you can change the material, just like you have other items in the past. Go to masonry and stone, get blocks, brick, concrete, etc. I kind of like the stacked stone look, but certainly you can choose whatever you would like. Okay, and then the next thing you got to do is search for screen, and then find a fireplace that you like that one, and pay close attention to which way it's facing. You can see that arrow right there telling you which direction is the front. Click on it, and then you can use your direction keys to get it very close to where you'd like it. Go back to the 3D view, and clearly it's up very high right now, so we're going to move it down to the first floor. Okay, and then lastly, we'll search for fire. Find a good picture of fire, and then we'll put that in the fireplace, and there you go. You got a fireplace put in. The TV operates in the same manner. So I'll search flat screen. Go back to this view here. I like flat screen 8 myself, just because it doesn't have like any extra stands or anything. Go back to the 3D view, and then we will move this down to where we want it. So you'll notice it doesn't show up on the 2D view, but it shows up on the 3D view. So if you want to put in a mantle, you have some options here as well on how to do that. Again, it's easiest to do it in the 2D view first. And there you go. You have a mantle, a TV, and a fireplace put in, just like such. And so this is pretty basic here. I would expect you guys could be quite a bit more creative. Let me give you an example of another one that a student did last semester. So here's a picture of their first floor and their fireplace. Very well done. Good, great colors, creative, just very well finished. So, and then he or she built a spiral staircase up to their lofted area. Got a staircase down to their basement, but just really good job with the windows. Open floor plan, kitchen's well finished. Yeah, I'm excited to see what you guys can produce. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.